Hello students, so in this lecture we shall be discussing about the size control that is necessary thing that should be in nanomaterials. Now while a synthesis of nanomaterials they take place mainly by three steps. First is the usual nucleation and growth process. But the most important thing is the termination of capping agent or ligand on which the crystallites grow. Now, uh, the two factors during this synthesis, that is the temperature and the concentration of the reagent, they are difficult to control in a very precise manner, and that is the reason we have this distribution of size in the nanomaterial, which is not a desirable thing. We require a minimal size distributions, that is minimum the maximum control. Now to achieve such size selective synthesis or precipitation, and if it is a chemical route we are following, then there are two ways by which we can do it. First is called the centrifugation, and second is the use of miscible solvent non-solvent liquid mixture. Solvent non-solvent liquid mixture, these are the two ways by which we can have size control. Now the nanomaterials formed are in the form of clusters, and they are called cluster compounds. The two common cluster compounds are in the form of a macromolecule, you can see. But the interesting thing about these compound is that they have got, in this case you can see there is a core containing metal bonds. Okay, now these cores, that is platinum 38 and Au 35, they provide enhanced stability. Now you can see in the case of Au 55 there is an enhanced stability, and by enhanced stability it means that it will not get oxidized, similar to condition of a bulk Au. So a bulk gold may get oxidized, that is chemically reactive, but this is much more stable, and the stability is due to this number 55, which is the magic number. So with these number of silver gold atoms, there is a complete closure. There is a complete closure of shells in cubic closed packed arrangement. And so you can have different types of magic numbers, like in this case it has been 55, but it can be other numbers as well, like it can be 13, it can be this case, and then 147, then 309, then 565, and they all correspond to the closure of first, second, third, fourth, and 5 shells. Okay, now there are several magic numbers, magic nucleativity of nanocrystals have been proposed, including this PVP stabilized PT564 nanocrystal. So we have a nanocrystal by the name of PVP stabilized palladium 561 nano crystal. Now let's take, for example, when we take 13, we say that it is the closure of the first shell. So it is one atom surrounded by 12 atoms. So that's how the shell is being formed. Similarly in the case of 55, so on and so forth.